Hello, I am Deep Fix, and this is a very short video I'm going to make um, just to let my current viewers and anyone that's passing by just to let them know that the previous microphone issues I've had in pretty much all my previous videos have now been fixed, and what I was doing is I was using OBS, and I was recording my footage using GeForce Experience. Now, I've never had any quality issues as far as the videos are concerned, but the settings that I had on OBS were not going over to GeForce. So no matter what I changed on OBS, the audio was just always terrible. Now I've just changed it so when I record video, I record it through OBS, and since doing that, the audio has been 100 times better. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. I bought a Rode NT USB recording microphone, if you're wondering what I'm using, and if you've never used OBS before, all you do is you see at the top here you've got your desktop audio, so obviously that's the game sounds that come through, and then at the bottom here you've got your mic audio. Now if you click on this little cog icon just here and then go to filters, there you can add filters by pressing this plus button here, and obviously you can take them away with the minus button. Now the first problem I had was the microphone was picking up the sound of the fan in my PC because it's very loud. So what you want for that is you want to put a noise suppression on. I've left it at the default setting. I've found now that that works perfectly. The compressor, again, default settings. It's made the sound of my voice, the way I would describe it is it sounds a lot more professional now. The gain, I'm not entirely sure what that does, but I've pressed the plus button here, I've added gain, just kept it at the name that it was by default, and kept it at the default settings, and yeah, the voice is it sounds good. I'm happy with it now. So yeah, if you are a repeat viewer of my videos, then the audio is going to sound a lot more better now. If you're a passerby, then I do apologise for my previous videos if you've seen any of them, or should I say if you've heard any of them. They were absolutely terrible, but I'm new to this, I'm learning things as I go, and yeah, that's about it really. So yeah, if anyone's got any questions or any requests, then write them in the comments section. I will see them and I will reply to them. But yeah, so that's it. Audio problem resolved, and thanks for watching. I've been Deep Fix. Goodbye.